Don't make me choose. There, I said it. Let me live. This whole world has got it all the way messed up, kid. He's mad at her and she hates him, and they're better, we're better. Oh, what I'd give to live in a world where the children could play. The black ones and white ones. Outside each day they'd laugh and they'd scream, and we'd grow stronger still. Each person learning, each bending his will. Yes, he should have thought before using his gun, but righteousness calls to us all, everyone, so evil in all forms is wrong, and it's time that we all pay for all forms of evil and crime. Our babies need leaders who love them to life, not cool kids who lead them to cool kinds of strife. And when they start mimicking all this cool shit, we cover our eyes. We bend and submit. So don't make me choose, because really I can't. And this ain't no slick talking soapbox and rant. This is the truth from what I can see. It isn't a them. This thing is a we. We can be kinder and we can do more. And we don't have to wait until the nick is a sore, and we don't have to wait until someone is dead. Now is the time to shout, lift up your head. The world is before us. This isn't a joke. And they aren't the only ones stealing our hope. Sometimes it's us, yes. Sometimes it is them. But the realest strength comes from deep down within. We must stop looking outward, stop pointing about. Each of us needs to stand feet on the ground until them becomes we and we becomes us, and us is something that's beautifully tough. We're all the same. Why can't we see? Why do we let hate run wild and free? We're all the same. Why isn't that clear? Why do we allow hate to persevere? Don't make me choose, because really, if I do, I'm gonna say the problem is me, them, and you. Had to get that off my chest. Wrote it, it's like 2 in the morning, but honestly, the world needs more light and love, guys, more light and love from all of us. We all gotta do better. Stop pointing fingers and being mad and choosing sides, because the only side is humanity and love and God's love for us. That's the side. That's the answer. So I just pray all of that for all of us. Love and light and happiness and joy and better days ahead. Love y'all. Bye.